In this question, you have to point out the reason why the cockroach may live for few days even if the head is removed. Option A, the head holds a small proportion of a nervous system while the rest is situated along the ventral parts of the body. Now, in cockroaches, the head indeed contains only a small portion of the nervous system, that is the brain, while the majority of the nervous system is present along the ventral nerve cord in the body. And this is the reason why the cockroach can continue functioning for some time even after decapitation, that is, the head is removed. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, the head holds a one-third of the nervous system while the rest is situated along the dorsal part of its body. It is incorrect because the cockroach's nervous system is primarily ventral and not dorsal, and the head does not hold such a large proportion, that is one-third. Option C, the supraesophageal ganglia of the cockroach are situated in the ventral part of abdomen. This is also incorrect because the supraesophageal ganglia are located in the head region, not in the ventral part of the abdomen, and this ganglia functions as the brain. Option D, the cockroach does not have nervous system. This is also incorrect. Cockroaches do have a well-developed nervous system. It consists of a brain, that is the supraesophageal ganglia in the head, and a ventral nerve cord with ganglia distributed along the body.